As in a world with so much suffering, let us heal the wounded together. As we Meghallians unite to celebrate the 50th year of our statehood. And so let us, as Indians, unite to celebrate the country that God has given us. Vande Mataram.
मैं आपके हर प्रयास के लिए आपके साथ हूं। इस दशक के लिए आपने जो लक्ष्य रखे हैं उन्हें हासिल करने के लिए हम मिलकर काम करें।
A very happy Meghalaya Day, especially on this Golden Jubilee celebration of our state. As we celebrate the Golden Jubilee of our beautiful state, we do look back at our history. We also work together for our future.
50 years ago, Meghalaya became the 21st state of the Indian Union. Under the slogan "No Hill State, No Rest," the Hill State movement was fought through non-violent means.
Remember all those who have contributed immensely in the development and progress of the state.
Every small contribution or every big contribution has added to what we are, and this is a great step in our journey, a milestone which we have touched in terms of 50 years, our Golden Jubilee.
Today is a day of promise and possibilities. Therefore, I take this opportunity to appeal to each and every one of us to use this occasion not only to celebrate, but also to reflect and commit to the roles that we as citizens can play